If you're not making money on TikTok, this might be the cause, and you need to pay attention to this video. If your account is not in good standing with TikTok, then this might be the reason why you are not making money on TikTok. You need to check that your account is in good standing with TikTok for you to be able to get all of that coins. Some persons might be like, Sonia, why do I need to check? Yes, you need to check so that you will know if you are violating, your account is shadow banned, or anything at all is happening to your TikTok. So right now, this is my profile, and you're just going to go ahead and click on your profile as well. Once you click on your profile, there is a 3 dot line you are going to be seeing at the top corner, and you're going to click on that 3 dots line. Once you click on the 3 dot line, you're going to see studio and all those stuff. You click on TikTok studio, and then you are going to scroll up. Okay, once you scroll up, you're going to be seeing accounts check, Creators Academy, Artist Hub, and every other stuff you're going to see here. Ignore that and click on account check. Once you click on account check, you are going to wait for it to load. At this point, you're supposed to be carrying your phone with me and then be doing this tutorial with me, okay? Once it's been opened like this, everything is going to load, starting from your login, post, comments, and every other stuff. Your videos are also going to be in check. If you have any video that is violating TikTok, they are going to notify you. If your account is shadow banned, they are going to notify you. If your account is suspended, like anything at all that is happening to your account, they are going to notify you. So this is my own check as Vibe with Sonia. And if you've not followed me on TikTok, please do to follow me, okay? You can see that they said my account is in good standing. Thank you for following TikTok community guidelines and helping us to keep TikTok safe. Most persons ignore these things. They ignore tutorials once we bring tutorial here, but at the end of the day, they'll be the one in our comment section crying, oh, I'm not making money from TikTok. I want to make money from TikTok. How are you making money from TikTok? And the good part of this is you can do it to your international account and then your local account. To some persons that will ask me, oh, Sonia, what do you mean making money from TikTok? This is the first time we're hearing TikTok. Yes, there are people that are hearing TikTok for the first time, so don't be surprised. What do I need to do for me to start making money on TikTok? For you to start making money on TikTok is not all that difficult. If you have a local account, all you need to do is to get your TikTok account to 1,000 followers. And if you want me to do the tutorial on how you can get your TikTok account to 1,000 followers in 3 days, let me know, because I have all the details information that I can actually bring down to you here to help you do that, okay? And then if you have an international account, you want to make money directly from your videos, you need what? 10,000 views. You need an international account. You need 100,000 video views, 10,000 followers. And I can also do a tutorial for you how you can get your 10,000 followers, okay? That is to say, within your 2 different accounts, you can do your account check and be ensured that you're following TikTok rules and regulations so that you can start cashing out on your TikTok account. So if you have not been cashing out all this while, you're just using TikTok for cruise, you're just using TikTok for fun. Yes, I'm not saying all of that you're doing is wrong. It is not wrong. You are doing the right thing, but it is also good for you to start making, even if it's just 1 cent, 2 cents, $1, $2. Before you know, who knows, you're going to be making a lot of money coming from TikTok, okay? Yes, I hope this video is able to help someone out there. And if you've not subscribed at this point of this video, please do to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And if at some point of this video you're hearing boom, 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 just know that they're working on my bathtub in my house, and that is why you're hearing all this boom, 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 okay? So please pardon us and forgive us. Do your account check now and thank me later. Bye. I love you guys. Follow me on other my social media platform. Mwah.